Hello everyone, welcome back to Sangeeta's Kitchen Delights. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I will be sharing a special Bengali recipe which is called Paturi in Bengal. It is actually steamed fish cooked in pumpkin leaves. Paturi means anything cooked in leaves, which can be banana leaves, you can use pumpkin leaves, you can use bottle gourd leaves. In Bengal, in these three leaves normally used for Paturi. And as it is fish Paturi, so we will use the fish only. Here I have taken boneless fish 700 gram. Now I am cutting it into proper size pieces. In a deep bowl, I am taking salt 1 teaspoon and adding enough amount of water so that all the fish pieces will be submerged into this water. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar also. This vinegar salt water will reduce the fish smell. There will not be any smell when you are cooking, and the fish will be in the water for around 10 to 15 minutes at least. In between, in this time, I am making a spice paste. In a mixer grinder jar, I am taking 4 tablespoons of poppy seed, 3 tablespoons of brown mustard, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and salt as per our taste. This is very important to add salt here, otherwise the mustard paste may bitter. First, we will do a dry grinding. This spice is almost fine now. Now I will be adding water as per my requirement, little by little. Now I am adding 1 cup of fresh grated coconut and 2 green chili whole, which I am breaking from the middle. Adding water to make a thick paste. The paste should be like this. This fish will be marinated in 2 steps. First step, I will marinate the fish with turmeric powder, red chili powder and little bit of salt. Just marinate the fish and leave it for 10 minutes. Now I will make the final marination. First, in a deep bowl, I am taking the spice paste and salt, turmeric powder and raw mustard oil 4 tablespoons. And now give it a good mix to make a uniform mixture. Adding all the fish in this mixture. Make sure all the fish should be coated with this spice. Here I have taken 8 green chilies, which I am making into half. And here I am taking 16 big pieces of pumpkin leaves, which is already washed and cleaned. In a pumpkin leaf, I am placing 1 piece of fish with the spice paste and half piece of green chili, and now I will fold it like this. Today I am not tying this parcel with thread. If you want, you can also tie this parcel with the thread. Let me show you again how to fold this parcel. In a hot tawa, I am adding mustard oil and then let it heat, placing the fish parcel into the hot tawa, and now I will cover it with a lid. In this time, the heat will be medium. Let's have a look. One side is completely cooked, it's fried properly, and from the another side now we'll cook, and for that we'll turn it and cover it again. Always kept in mind, the open side of the paturi always should be in the bottom so that it will be sealed while cooking. Sprinkle some mustard oil if required from the top. Now I am frying it without cover for at least couple of minutes in the medium heat. This paturi tastes heavenly when it is served with hot steamed rice. Let's check inside of the paturi. Yes, it is completely cooked and it smells like just heaven. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family, and leave your valuable comment and feedback in the comment section. I'll be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and bye. Thanks for watching.